PM220S Label Maker Operation Tutorial. 1. Labelnize app. Download Labelnize app from Google Play or App Store, Bluetooth Connect. Open the mobile app store. Search for Labelnize. Download the Labelnize app. 2. Install the paper roll. Open the paper cover by sliding the switch. Load the paper roll in the paper bin. Slide the clamp to secure the position of the paper. Note the printed content page down. Slide the clamp to secure the position of the paper. Make sure that the 1 to 2 mm paper remains outside the machine. Long press the power button to turn on the label maker. Press and hold the right button once to print the test page. 3. Label maker connects to mobile devices via Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Open the Labelnize app. Click Allow. Note, the main purpose of downloading Labelnize app is to edit and print content. Click on the upper left corner, Unconnected, to find your PM220S label maker. You can see PM220S, click on the Connect. 4. Edit and print. Click Select a template. Select the template you need. Double-click to adjust template content. You can click on the function area to add content. Adjusting print density. Print. 5. How to choose a label to print it. Click plus to enter and start the template. Click function area to DIY design. Click text to edit content. You can click on the other area to change various text, borders, QR code, material, picture, etc. Click print after finished your editing. PM220S Label Maker Operation Tutorial.